Ayo, kami telinga kita bi. Abi. Okay, this is Dodo. Day 5 of life, but can already run. Alright, Dodo. Very beautiful boy. This is her mother. His mother. Day 5 post delivery with complicated with uterine prolapse, but already reduced on the day of delivery. Alhamdulillah. She's getting better. The milk production is also improved. You can see that the breast is well engorged, and I can show you. Oh, sorry. All right. This is Moksu. Okay. All right. This is my boy Jackie. In the Frankie number 5. You can see her body, his body built very good. Very nice, Jackie.